I think that are just our secret weapon, which is not really like a secret at all. Some parts of the country you hate to tell folk what this is, and so we explain this as a Lambeg drum, and that the Lambeg drum is only played in Northern Ireland. And it's only played in Northern Ireland because it's only in Northern Ireland that people are daft enough to walk around carrying such a big heavy drum. But you know, the Lambeg drum is absolutely brilliant, because you see when you get into playing the Lambeg, it sort of makes you feel really good. It gets your blood pumping through your heart and gets your lungs filled up. You know, it's actually possible. You see, if you play the Lambeg drum for an extended period of time, it's actually possible to drift off into an altered state of consciousness. You see, about 10 years ago, Hugh Brownlow was in my yard in Ballymena, and we were beating away on the Lambeg drum down there, and a whole bunch of boys there, we got carried away, and we were drumming to near midnight, and that night Hugh drifted off into an altered state of consciousness. That's about 10 years ago, and he's still there yet, seems. And you see, there's some who do ecstasy or cocaine. I mean, that's what they do to lose their brain. And there's some do marijuana. And there's some do dope. That's what they do just to cope. But no, not us. Where we come from, we just do the Lambeg drum. The Lambeg drum. The Lambeg drum. We just do the Lambeg drum. Some do LSD for their facts, and this hallucinations just for kicks. And some do tabs to get up high. And some do jobs to reach the sky. But no, not us, where we come from. We just do the Lambeg drum, the Lambeg drum, the Lambeg drum. We just do the Lambeg drum. Some do vodka, wine or whiskey to get them feeling fine or frisky. And some run for miles to escape and jump up and down to get in shape. But no, not us, where we come from. We just do the Lambeg drum, the Lambeg drum, the Lambeg drum. We just do the Lambeg drum. And some folk roar and some folk rant to tell the people just what they want. And some folk rant and some folk roar to tell the people they want more. But no, not us, where we come from. We just do the Lambeg drum.
The Lambeg drum, the Lambeg drum. We just do the Lambeg drum.
Ajay.